why Cursor's MCPs are broken, and how to fix them. The problem Cursor's MCP nightmare. Listen up, because I'm about to save you from the digital equivalent of trying to eat soup with a fork. Cursor's MCP implementation has more issues than a soap opera, and I'm tired of pretending. The multiple server circus running multiple MCP servers in Cursor is like having a house party where everyone speaks a different language and nobody knows where the bathroom is. Everything becomes slower than Windows Vista trying to load a video. The Stone Age search problem Cursor uses plain text search to find tools. It's like asking your grandfather to find something on Netflix search. Lots of scrolling, zero understanding of what you actually want. Enter ACI.dev, the adult in the room. Here's where ACI.dev comes in like a superhero with actual superpowers, not just a fancy costume. The vector DB magic instead of dumb text matching, ACI.dev uses semantic search through a vector DB. It actually understands what you want to do. It's like having a personal assistant who reads minds instead of one who brings you coffee when you ask for help with Excel. The intelligent agent approach. The unified MCP server doesn't just blindly call tools. It talks to an AI agent that decides which tool to use. It's like having a smart friend who knows exactly which wrench you need instead of handing you the entire toolbox. The real-world example. That'll blow your mind. Your request. Check my emails and schedule a meeting with the team about the project update. With traditional Cursor MCPs, you need separate servers for Gmail, Calendar, maybe Slack. Each server runs independently like drunk college students. Cursor gets confused about which to use when you end up doing half the work manually anyway. With ACI.dev's unified MCP1 server to rule them all, the agent understands the full context. It checks emails, finds relevant project info, schedules the meeting. You sit back and watch the magic happen. The setup that actually works. Here's how simple it is. Get your API key from ACI.dev, configure your apps. Once, yes, just once. Set up the unified MCP server in Cursor Watch. As your productivity goes from meh to holy shit, this actually works. You tell Cursor what you want in plain English, and the ACI.dev agent figures out the entire workflow. It's like having a translator who actually speaks both languages fluently. Why? This changes everything. The unified MCP server with ACI.dev's RAG system is like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Sure, both make calls, but one actually makes sense in 2025. The RAG system advantage. All tool descriptions stored in vector DB, semantic search finds the right tools faster. Context is richer and more accurate. Agent decisions are exponentially better. The bottom line using traditional MCPs in Cursor is like trying to conduct an orchestra where each musician is in a different room playing a different song while wearing noise-canceling headphones. ACI.dev gives you an agent that actually understands what you want, has access to all the right tools, and can execute complex workflows without you having to micromanage every step. It's the difference between being a tech support person who has to fix everything manually versus being a director who tells their team what needs to happen and watches it get done perfectly. Try it once. And going back to traditional MCPs feels like voluntarily choosing to use Internet Explorer in 2024. Technically possible, but why would you do that to yourself?